Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Display 6.9 inches, 3088 x 1440 pixels. Camera 108 MP triple camera, 10 MP front. Hardware Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 Plus, 12 GB RAM. Storage 128 GB microSD DXC. Battery 4500 mAh. OS Android 10. Samsung 1A. Description: the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra closely follows the Galaxy S20 Ultra in terms of design. Specs-wise, we have the Snapdragon 865 chipset in an Exynos 1 to match in all non-US regions, accompanied by 12 GB of RAM and up to 512 GB storage. At the back is situated a triple camera setup with the same 108 MP sensor from the S20 Ultra. S Pen and 5G come off as standard. The Note 20 Ultra is the first phone to make use of the latest and toughest Corning Gorilla Glass Vitis. The phone is available for purchase. Starting price is $1,300. Pros: 5 grams ready. High screen-to-body ratio, 91.63%. Supports wireless charging. Shop links. $750. Off. $550. Special Samsung. $750. Off. Deal. Special Best Buy. $900. Special Verizon. View more offers. Specs. Display. Size 6.9 inches. Resolution 3088 x 1440 pixels, 19.3. 9 ratio, 496p. Technology, dynamic mode. Screen to body, 91.63%. Features, 120 Hz refresh rate, HDR video support, scratch-resistant glass, Corning Gorilla Glass Vitis, ambient light sensor, proximity sensor. Hardware, system chip, Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 Plus SM8258. Processor, octa-core, 3000 MHz, Creo 585, 64-bit, 7nm. GPU, Adreno 650, RAM, 12 GB LPDDR5. Internal storage, 128 GB, available to use, 107 GB. Storage expansion, microSD DXC up to 1000 GB. Device type, smartphone. OS, Android 10, Samsung 1A. This device has different variants. View all. Battery, capacity, 4500 mAh. Type, lead polymer, not user replaceable. Battery life test results, link. Charging, Qualcomm Quick Charge 2.0, Samsung Adaptive Fast Charging. Key and power met wireless charging, reverse wireless charging. Camera, rear, triple camera samples. Main camera, 108 MP OIS, laser and DAF. Specifications, aperture size, f1.8. Focal length, 26 millimeters. Sensor size, 1.33 pixel size, 0.8 meters. Second camera, 12 MP telephoto OIS, DAF. Specifications, optical zoom, 5x. Aperture size, f3.0. Focal length, 120 millimeters. Pixel size, 1 meter. Third camera, 12 MP ultra-wide, autofocus. Specifications, aperture size, f2.2. Focal length, 13 millimeters. Sensor size, 2.55 pixel size, 1.4 meters. Video recording, 7680 x 4320, 8K, 24 FPS, 3840 x 2160, 4K, 60 FPS, 1920 x 1080, Full HD, 240 FPS, 1280 x 720, HD, 960 FPS. Features, voice, HDR, time-lapse video, hyperlapse, object tracking, eyes. Front, 10 MP, DAF, HDR. Video capture, 3840 x 2160, 4K. Design. Dimensions, 6.49 x 3.04 x 0.32 inches, 164.8 x 77.2 x 8.1 millimeters. Weight, 7.34 ounces, 208.0 grams. Materials: back, glass, Corning Gorilla Glass Vitis. Frame: stainless steel. Resistance: water, dust, IP68. Biometrics: 2D face unlock, ultrasonic and screen fingerprint. Features: stylus. Keys: right, volume control, lock on the key. Colors: Mystic Black, Mystic Bronze, Mystic White. Cellular: 5 grams, and 2, and 5, and 41, and 66, and 71, and 260, and 261, SA, and sub-6, wave. LTE, FDD, bands 1, 2100, 2, 1900, 3, 1800, 4, OS1, 5, 850, 7, 2600, 8, 900, 12, 708, 13, 700C, 14, 700 PS, 18, 800 lower, 19, 800 upper, 20, 800 DD, 25, 1900 plus, 26, 850